Hello?
Hi. Are you still at work?
No, I just left the office.
Finally.
A long day.
I can hear it in your voice.
I'm very tired.
Come home safely.
I will.
Is there traffic?
A little.
Drive slowly.
Okay, madam.
I'm serious.
I know.
How long will it take?
Around 20 minutes.
Okay. I will wait for you.
Did you eat?
No.
Why?
I wanted to eat with you.
Oh, that's sweet.
What about you?
I only had coffee.
Then you must be hungry.
Very hungry.
Good. Dinner is ready.
What did you make?
Pasta and fried chicken.
Wow, best news today.
Hurry up then.
I'm trying.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Give me your bag.
Thanks.
You look exhausted.
Today was crazy.
Sit down first.
Okay,
Here is some water.
thank you.
Better now?
Much better.
Did something happen at work?
Too many meetings.
Again?
Yes, meeting after meeting.
That sounds boring.
Very boring.
At least you are home now.
Yes, I feel relaxed already.
Good.
The house smells amazing.
I cleaned everything today.
Really?
Yes, the kitchen took so much time.
Thank you for doing all that.
It's okay.
You also worked hard today.
A little.
Did you rest at all?
Not really.
Then today we both deserve good food.
Exactly.
Can I help with dinner?
Yes, bring the plates.
Okay.
And don't forget the juice.
Yes, chef.
Is the pasta okay?
It's really good.
Really?
Of course.
I tried a new recipe today.
Then it was a success.
I'm happy you like it.
I always like your cooking.
Thank you.
This chicken is spicy.
Too spicy?
No, perfect.
Good.
We should cook together one day.
That will be fun.
I can help.
Last time you only ate snacks.
That was important work.
Sure.
I'm full.
Same here.
Dinner was amazing.
Thank you.
I will wash the dishes today.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. I'm surprised.
Don't look so shocked.
Okay.
You cooked, so I will clean.
Deal. Do you want tea?
Yes, please.
Hot tea on a rainy night feels nice.
Especially after a long day.
The rain started.
I can hear it.
I love this sound.
Me too.
It feels peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, much better.
Good.
Thank you for today.
For what?
For making the evening better.
You're welcome.
Home feels calm with you.
Oh,
Don't laugh. I mean it.
I know.
Should we watch a movie now?
Okay.
Comedy?
Always comedy.
Perfect.
Wait, I will bring snacks.
More food?
Movie snacks are different.
True.
Ready?
Ready.
This is a perfect evening.
Yes. Simple and peaceful.